Well, you may have not heard of this recipe. Partly yes, partly no. Actually, what I am making are chicken lollipops, but white in color, and trust me, the cheesiest white chicken lollipops you will ever see. Hey guys, it's me Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin with cheesy, juicy white lollipops. Let's begin this recipe by making the batter for the lollipops. The first thing that goes in a large bowl is refined flour, all-purpose flour or maida, by whatever name you actually know this as. To this, to make it nice and crisp, I'm adding in cornstarch or corn flour, a whole egg, just a touch of soy sauce. This is primarily only for flavor, not for color at all, and I'm using light soy sauce. Along with this, paste of ginger and garlic, salt to taste, and finally black pepper powder, which is freshly crushed. Well, this is one flavor that you can actually overdo because this is all going to add in to the wonderful bite of the lollipops. Very simple ingredients, very simple flavor, but trust me, it's going to be amazing. Let's make a batter of coating consistency by adding cold water. Because there is also egg in this and because egg has a lot of moisture, the quantity of water required will be relatively lesser. So remember that. The batter is done and ready, whisked well and lump free. Time to add in the chicken lollipops. Of course, we're going to dip one at a time and fry this in medium hot oil for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Our chicken lollipops are perfectly fried and ready. The crisp golden brown on the outside and soft, juicy and succulent within, but well cooked. Time to move on to making the cheesy sauce for this lollipop. Let's begin with adding in processed cheese cubes to the mixer jar. To this, I'm going to add in green chilies. Again, just kind of broken roughly. Along with this, cloves of garlic. While I like adding my garlic with skin on, you can peel it. To this, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of cold water. And you blend this into a fine puree. Well, even if it's not fine, it's absolutely perfect. The cheese sauce is done and ready. It's looking luscious. Let's heat a wok on high flame. And to that, I'm adding in the cheese paste. To this, I'm going to add in another 1/4 cup of water and allow this to boil on high flame. The sauce has bubbled well for 3 minutes. I'm going to lower the flame and allow it to kind of condense, kind of reduce, because that's where it becomes of coating consistency. Now, while that is happening, I have these bits of aluminium foil. I'm going to use that to cover the naked bone of the lollipop. Now that the bone is covered and ready, let's give the sauce a quick stir. Take it all on one side and dip each lollipop and transfer it straight on the serving board. Similarly, let's dip in all the pieces of lollipop, and this goes nice and hot, garnished with some spring greens and freshly cracked black pepper. With this, your cheesy chicken lollipop is done and ready. Stay tuned to get curried. Bye for now.